Hey, everybody! Welcome, dear friends, to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily reset control center settings on your iPhone on iOS 18. Don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to our channel and also give a like to this video and write your comments after watching it. So, let's be with you, friends. Let's get started. If you don't like the settings in Control Center, or maybe you got your iPhone from someone and would like to reset such settings, please open the main settings on your iPhone. Scroll down a little bit and please select Control Center. Now here click on the Reset Control Center option. Please confirm your actions. Next, you may need to go through Face ID authentication. And after that, you will see that all the control center settings on your iPhone have been reset. That's how, dear friends, quickly and easily you can reset the control center settings on your iPhone on iOS 18. Don't forget to please subscribe to our channel and also be sure to put your likes. See you soon.